Down to it now. We got this roster prepped and ready. Got this long stick, long reach, whatever y'all want to call it. Got it ready for. Probably won't fool with it today because I got to go do something else. But I got it prepped, got it clean. So whatever I decide to do with these bricks, I can do it. That way we ain't got no C and D commercial debris in it. If I want to take it to my yard, I can take it to the yard and don't have no problem with it. That's what it looked like. The guy walked up and said, man, you can use a smaller machine to do that. I have done it many times. Like I told you earlier, we daredevil. But when you get a little bit older, you charge a little bit more, and then you just use the tools you really need to do the job with. Ain't got nothing to prove, bro, that we can win. So we get the tools that we can win with. And you still may not win, it still may get loose. There go that big crack up there. And then only right behind this building is my yard. Right beside my building is the yard. And right out there is the street. So that long reach, it'll help me take care of it. Next thing be up to me, just trying to haul it out of here.